Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a Canva hack how to blur backgrounds for professional designs. So you want pro looking photos or videos, here's how you can simply blur your background. The first step would be to open up a design you're working on or a blank canvas. Once you've done that, head over to the upload section at the bottom, click on upload here, and then go ahead and upload any image of your choice. As you can see, I have already selected an image of my choice that I would like to upload. Now with your image uploaded, just go ahead and select it and then click on background remover. Now background remover is a pro feature which is strictly restricted to pro accounts. So make sure you have a pro account in order to use this feature. Now click on background remover and apply it to your image. Once it's been applied, head over to edit at the top left of your screen. It's just beside the background remover. So once you've clicked on edit, you're going to find a list of edits you can use or apply to your image. Just simply scroll through, and where we have special effects, just go ahead and select blur. Click on blur here and it's going to apply the blur to your photo. Though you could do this automatically or you could do it manually by using the brush tool. So it's going to show you both the brush and the option to apply the blur to the whole image. With the brush, you can now simply apply it to sections of the image that you want it applied to. And then once it's to your liking or once it's to your taste, all you need to do is just allow the blur to take effect. And then once you're done, go ahead and close from the tool and then allow the image to load in the effect. Click on share at the top right once you're done. Just go ahead and click on share here. And then you'd find an option to download, which is also the option to export. And now you can export your image with more focus on the subject. And it's best to do this as a PNG or a JPEG for best quality. And then simply click on download and then you're done. So guys, that's it. That's a crisp design using a pro feature. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.